Well, folks. Another spring day here on the old Farmtecture headquarters. And I just got these birds moved into their summer coop, so they're loving that. I grew extra, made sure I kept them out of here so all the grass would grow nice and tall for them. And I extended this coop into the had two coops, but I combined them, made one big chicken run. So I don't know if you can see down there beyond the hoop house here, but I've got there's another coop down there as well, but got this whole run for them. Got this little shade area fixed up for them. That thing's been around since day one on the old Farmtecture headquarters, land, whatever you want to call it. But today, I've got this piece of ground here that used to be my garden last few years, and what I'm going to do today is I spread some manure on it. I'm not going to plant this garden this year. Figured it's too easy to buy food in the stores, so I put all the effort into it. But I'm gonna work this ground and plant some I'm gonna work some compost manure in, and I'm gonna plant some buckwheat in here. Part of it's just so I can let those chickens out now and then. They can pick through it, and it's kind of a pretty flowered plant when it grows, so we're going to do that. And then you can see I cut into this manure pile pretty good. I know you folks like to watch me spread the BS, but did that off camera. So now what I'm going to do is till this in and get a little tractor therapy, and actually, I think I'm going to spread some buckwheat seed on it and then till it in. So I'll catch up with you in a few. Well, I'm not sure if you folks have ever seen buckwheat, what it looks like, but it's a cool little seed. They're triangular shaped. And yeah, I'm just going to... My brother borrowed my broadcaster, so I'm going to have to throw this by hand, but sew it by hand. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. Yeah, folks, part of the reason I got those chickens cooped up is because I didn't want them going through this, eating all this buckwheat seed out of here. So, yeah, now I don't have to worry about them. I'm going to till it all in, but I'm sure some of it will still be visible. Yeah, the deer love this stuff. It's a pretty flower too as it grows. And to get maximum nutrients out of it for your garden, you're probably supposed to till it in right as it comes up and as it's just green. But I love to see it grow and flower, so I always wait a little longer. Plus the deer love it. Now, I put a few plants in, a little bit of a garden, but so this will keep the deer occupied and keep them out of the few plants I did put in. Anyway, folks, you can see this is how I get it done. The broadcaster actually, the broadcaster lays it on even heavier than what I'm doing. So if you're not familiar with what a broadcaster is, it's you dump all these seeds in a bag that you carry, and you got a handle on it, and you turn it around. Actually a little easier, but we're going old school on this today. Yeah, it's a little easier to use that broadcaster, but like I say, I don't want to drive an hour to get it. Shoot, I can have this spread in 15-20 minutes and have it tilled in an hour forget that driving stuff. Anyway, folks, I'll catch you up on the tractor therapy.
I'm standing on the corner with a low down blues, a great big hole in the bottom of the shoes. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Yeah, let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Now, hello, Sal, I know you, the run down stocking, throw up shoe. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Yeah, let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. I'm down in the wildwood, sitting on the log, finger on the trigger, eye on the hog. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Yeah, let me be your salty dog, I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. I pulled the trigger, the gun couldn't go, got pulled over in Mexico. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Yeah, let me be your salty dog, I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. I'm going down the road with my hat in my hand, looking for a man, got old man. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Yeah, let me be your salty dog, I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog.
Well, folks, hope you liked that tractor therapy as much as I enjoyed it. Got that all tilled in, and all the compost and buckwheats underground, ready to grow up good. It doesn't seem like these birds mind their new home, for the summer anyway. They're enjoying the sunshine, and hopefully the egg production will still keep going strong. And no hogs. I'll catch you folks in a few.